Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Scholanetz. Today we are going to learn factors and multiples. These are very important in math and help us with division, multiplication, LCM, that is least common multiples, and HCF, that is highest common factor. So let's get started. First of all, we have to know what is a factor. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number, or you can say factors are numbers that divide another number exactly without any remainder. It says find the factors of 10. We have to find the factors of 10. So how we can find the factors of 10? So a factor of 10 is a whole number that can be multiplied by another whole number to equal 10. So how we can find the factors of 10? We have to multiply a whole number with another whole number that should be equal to 10. Like 1 multiply with 10 equal 10. Here 1 and 10 are factors of 10. Okay, we multiplied 1 times 10 equal 10. So the 10, 1 and 10s are the factors of 10. 2 times 5 equal 10. So 2 and 5 are also the factors of 10. So the how many factors we got? 1. Then we have to arrange serial wise from smallest to biggest number. 1, then 2, then the 5, then comes the 10. So 1, 2, 5 and 10s are the factors of 10. Understand? How we find the factors of 10? We have to multiply a whole number with another whole number to equal to the factors we have to find. The numbers, we have to multiply a whole number with the another whole number, and it should be equal to the number of which we have to find the factors. Here 1 times 10 equal 10, and so 1 and 10 are factors of 10. 2 times 5 equal 10. So 2 and 5 are also factors of 10. So we got the factor of 10 as 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are the factors of 10. So to identify the factors of a given number, you need to identify which whole numbers you can be multiplied together to get that number. Okay? First, you have to find out which number you can multiply together so that you can get that number. There's another type of question which says, find which of the following are like the numbers are given 3, 4, 5 and 6, and it says which of the followings are the factors of 15. From these options we have to find which are the factors of 15. So how we can find this one? Here we can test each number to see if it divides evenly into 15. Like 15 divided with 3 will be 5. Here we get a whole number. It means there is no remainder here. It divides evenly, means completely. So this will be the factor of 15. Now we have to check the another number. 15 divided with 4. We will get 3.7. Here the decimal comes. It means there is a remainder. So it will not be the factor of 15. Let's check with the another digit. 15 divided with 5, it will be 3. It means this will be the factor of 15. Now 15 divided with 6, it will be 2.5. So here also is a decimal form. So this will not be the factor of 15. So what are the factor of 15 here? It will be 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. If the options are given and you have to choose which numbers are the factors of 15, then you can test each number and see if it's divide evenly into that number or not. And here, if it says you have to find the factors of certain number, then what you have to do? You have to identify a whole number which can be multiplied together with another whole number to find to get the given number. Understand both of them? How we can find the factors? Now let's go and check some key points about the factors. What are the key points about factors? It says factors divide exactly, means it divides evenly without leaving any remainder. Always remember that when we find the factors, it should divide it without leaving any remainder. It should not be in a decimal form. Okay, it should always be as a whole number. Factors are finite. It means it is limited. Every number has one and itself as factors. Okay, so every number will have two factors. If two, at least two factors. Okay, it should not be less than two factors. So every number has one as a factor and the number itself will be as a factors. Okay, so what are the key points? Factors divide exactly, factors are finite, and factors has one and itself as factors. For example, the factors of 11. It says you find the factors of 11. So 1 times 11 will be 11. Here we have only 1 and the number itself is a factors. So the factors of 11 will be 1 and 11. Understand? Now let's go and see what are multiples. Multiples are numbers we get by multiplying a number by whole numbers. Okay. What are multiples? Multiples are numbers which we get by multiplying a number by whole numbers. For example, it says find the multiple of 5. So how we will find the multiple of 5? We'll say we have to write the times table of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. It will go like that. So what are the multiples of 5? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and so on. So multiples are infinite. It is never ending. You will go on multiplying with a bigger number. It will go. It will never end. And factors are limited, but multiples are never ending. Okay? Or multiples are equal or greater to the number. So the multiples will always be greater or equal. Here 5 is equal to 5 and 10 is greater. All the numbers are greater. So it multiples will be greater or equal to the given number. Let's check the key points of the multiples. What it says. Points about multiples are found by multiplication. Okay. How we can find the multiples? We can find the multiples by multiplication. In factors, we were finding it with the multiplying the whole number with another number to get the number, or we can divide it to find the factors. but the multiples are found by multiplication, and multiples are unlimited. It is infinite. So factors were limited, but the multiples are unlimited. It is never ending, and multiples are equal to or greater than the given number. Okay, understand what are multiples and how we can find the multiples, and what are factors and how we can find the factors. Now let's solve some questions about the multiples and factors. The question number 1 says, write all factors of 18. So how we will write all the factors of 18? We can find the factors of 18. So we have to think about the whole number which can be multiplied with another whole number to make it 18. So as we know, the factor, every number has at least two factors, 1 and the number itself. So 1 multiply with 18, it will be 18. So 1 and 8 are the factors of 18. Now we have to think about the another number. Here 2 times 9 is equal 18. So 2 and 9 are also the factors of 18. Now we have to think whether another number also multiplied into 18. 3 times 6 equal 18. So 3 and 6 are also the factors of 18. So now we got all the factors. Now we have to arrange it into the smallest to greatest. So what will be the what are the factors of 18? 1, then 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These are the factors of 18. Understand how we find the factors of 18 here? Now let's go to the question number 2. It says, write first 5 multiples of 6. Here they are telling us to write only the first 5 multiples of 6. So how we can find the multiples? By multiplication. It means we have to write the times table of 6 till 5 only. 6 times 1, it will be 6. 6 times 2, it will be 12. 6 times 3, it will be 18. 6 times 4, it will be 24. And 6 times 5, it will be 30. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. Okay, the first 5 multiples of 6. These are the first 5 multiples of 6. Okay, you have to do according to the question, what the question is asking you to do. Now let's check some more questions. Question number 3, it says, write all factors of 12. So we have to find the factors of 12. So 1 times 12 will be 12. So 1 and 12 is the factor of 12. Then 2 times 6 is the factor, will be equal to 12. So 2 and 6 are also the factors of 12. 3 times 4 equal 12. Now we got all of the factors of 12. Now we have to arrange the factor of 12s are 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go like this, then go like this. Okay, you can say in a U shape from smallest to greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the factors of 12. Here comes the 1 and the number itself. It must be there. Now let's go to the question number 4. It says, write first 6 multiples of 7. So what are the first 6 multiples of 7? 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 4, 28. 7 times 5, 35. 7 times 6 is 42. So the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. The first 6 multiples of 7. The times table is very important in factors and multiples. You should know the times table. Then only you can solve it easily. Now comes the question number 5. Now we have to see what the question number 5 is saying. Which of the following are multiples of 5? It says which of the following are multiples of 5. So how we will find which of the followings are the multiples of 5? Multiples of 5. So we have to, it is 45. So we have to read the 5 times table to see whether 45 comes in the 5 times table or not. As we know, 5 times 9 is 45. It means 45 is the multiples of 5. Now check 25. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So this is also the multiples of 5. 30. 5 times 6 is 30. So this is also the multiple of 5. And here is the 15. 5 times 3 is 15. So this is also the multiples of 15. So these all are the multiples of 5. So we have to choose all of these numbers. These all numbers are the multiples of 5. Understand? Now check the number. Question number 6 says which of the following numbers are multiples of 4? These are the option 15, 40, 19 and 36. So we have to recall the 4 times table. The times table of 4. Is 15 comes in the times table of 4? No, it doesn't. Is 40 comes in the times table of 4? Yes, it is. 4 times 10 is 40. So 40 is the multiple of 4. Is 19 come in the multiple of 4? No, it doesn't. 36? Yes, 4 times 9 is 36. It means the multiples of 4 from these options are 40 and 36. These will be the answer. Okay, you know how we can, now you understand how we can find the multiples. Now come to the question number 7 and see what the question number 7 is saying. It says which number is a factor of 18? We have to find from the given option with the 10, 8, 2 or 36 as the factors of 18. So how we can find if the options are given? Then we have to see whether these numbers divide 18 evenly or not. So 18 divided with 10, it will be 1.8. When we divide 18 with 10, it comes 1.8. It means this is not the factor of 18 because the answer comes in decimal form. It should be complete divide without leaving any remainder. So this is not the factor of 18. Now here 18 divided with 8. Can we divide, when we'll divide 18 with 8, what will be the answer? It will also come in the decimal form. So this is also not the factor of 18. Now 18 divided with 2. It will be 9. It is a whole number. So this will be the factor of 9. Now we have to check the last number as well. 18 divided with 36. See, here is the small digit and here is it is divided with the bigger digit. So the answer must be in a decimal form. because when we divide the smaller number from a bigger number, so answer must comes in the decimal form. So this will not be the factor of 18. So what is the factor of 18 here? It is 2. So our answer will be 2. Okay, understand how we can find the factors of 18 here? Now let's go to the question number 8. It says, which number is a factor of 10? 4, 9, 5 or 7? Out of these numbers, which are the factor of 10? So divide 10 with the number one, first number, that is 4. So that it will be 2.5. It comes in the decimal. So it is not a factor of 10. Now 10 divided with 9 will be 1.1. So this is also not with the factor of 10. Now 10 divided with 5, it will be 2. It comes as a whole number. So this will be the factor of 10. Now 10 divided with 7, it will be 1 point, it will come, I think 1.4. So this is also in a decimal form. So this will also not be the factor of 10. So what is the factor of 10 here? That is 5. It divides 10 completely. So 5 will be our answer. The factor of 5 will be, sorry, the factor of 10 will be 5. Factor of 10 will be 5 from the given choice. Understand? Now you can find, now you understand how we can find the factors and multiples. To do what we learned today, we learned about the factor. What is factors? The factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number, or factors are number that divide another number exactly without leaving any remainder. And we find out also how we can find the factors. If it says find the factor of certain number, how we can find it. And if the options are given, then also we know how we can find the factors. And that we learned about the key points of the factor. It says the factors divide exactly without leaving any remainder, and the factors are limited, and every number has one and the number itself as a factor. Then we learn about the multiples. What are multiples? Multiples are numbers we get by multiplying a number by whole number. And we know how, if it says the find the multiples of find, we have to write the times table. And what the key point of multiple says, the multiples are found by multiplication, and the multiples are infinite. It is unlimited, and the multiples are equal to or greater than the given number. Okay. Then we solve all the questions and to see how we can find the factors and the multiples. I hope you understand what are factors and multiples. See you in the next video with another math topic. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.